Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Things to see at the amusement park. Let's learn English.
Let's learn
more about
the things you see at the amusement park.
Here are
some
examples. Things you can find at the amusement park.
entrance. Parking lot. Ticket booth. Restroom. Benches. Food stalls. Souvenir shops. Game booths. Rides. Carnival tent.
Things that happen at the amusement park.
Guards checking. People buying tickets. Grandparents sitting in the bench. Vendors selling food. Man eating hot dog. Woman buying souvenirs. Mom taking photos. Kids playing at the booths. People stand in line. People riding roller coaster.
Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1. Ready your pencil and paper.
You.
Ready.
Choose the correct scene.
Number 1. Guards checking. Or, man eating hot dog.
The correct answer is, guards checking.
Number 2. Vendors selling food. Or, people buying tickets.
The correct answer is, people buying tickets.
Number 3. Grandparents sitting in the bench. Or, guards checking.
The correct answer is, grandparents sitting in the bench.
Number 4. Vendors selling food. Or, woman buying souvenirs.
The correct answer is, vendors selling food.
Number 5. People stand in line. Or, man eating hot dog.
The correct answer is, man eating hot dog.
Number 6. Guards checking. Or, woman buying souvenirs.
The correct answer is, woman buying souvenirs.
Number 7. Mom taking photos. Or, vendors selling food.
The correct answer is, mom taking photos.
Number 8. People buying tickets. Or, kids playing at the booths.
The correct answer is, kids playing at the booths.
Number 9. Teachers stand in line. Or, team training. Mom taking photos.
The correct answer is, people stand in line.
Number 10. Guards checking. Or, people riding roller coaster.
The correct answer is people riding roller coaster.
Quiz number 2. Ready your pencil and paper. R.
U.
Ready.
Write the missing letters on each word.
Number 1. Entrance.
The missing letters are T and N. Entrance.
Number 2. Parking lot.
The missing letters are N and T. Parking lot.
Number 3. Ticket booth.
The missing letters are K and T. Ticket booth.
Number 4. Restroom.
The missing letters are R and O. Restroom.
Number 5. Benches.
The missing letters are E and H. Benches.
Number 6. Food stalls.
The missing letters are F and A. Food stalls.
Number 7. Souvenir shops.
The missing letters are U and H. Souvenir shops.
Number 8. Game booths.
The missing letters are M and H. Game booths.
Number 9. Rides.
The missing letters are R and I. Rides.
Number 10. Carnival tent.
The missing letters are N and E. Carnival tent. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.